Nyo, sa aking palagay, the source of the leak is most probably no other than Mr. Morales. Because I think he got the copy. Siya sigurong nag-leak. Anyway, that is my own opinion, and I believe in it.
Your Honor,
Sandali lang.
when I call you and I recognize you, pwede ka magsalita.
And this person has
Unahin natin muna ang senador.
This person has been charged of violation of Article 180 of the Revised Penal Code, which is still pending before the Metropolitan Trial Court, Branch 4 in San Fernando, Pampanga. In violation of Article 180 of the Revised Penal Code is a tungkol ito sa false testimony. And the other criminal cases filed against Mr. Morales based on validated information from a concerned citizen. If this is true, estafa pending before the Metropolitan Trial Court, Pasig City, slight physical injuries pending before Branch 72, Pasig City. And as a final remark, Mr. Chair, the facts and evidence presented clearly demonstrate the questionable integrity and credibility of this particular resource person. And the same evidence refutes all accusations against the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency and its current leadership. And the statements given by this particular resource person against the agency and its current leadership are evidently perjurious, defamatory, and outright false. That's all, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Senator Jingo Estrada. You want to say something?
Yes,
Senator Morales?
Yung pong sinasabi ni ni Honorable Senator Jinggoy Estrada na ako daw di umano yung sa palagay niya ay pinanggalingan.
Well, let's see his opinion. Sabi niya, opinion niya yan, sabi niya.
Pero mali po yun. Kaya nga po ako sumula sa sa Director General ng PIDEA para i-submit yung sarili ko sa isang formal investigation. Willing and able po ako na humarap sa anumang investigasyon para patunayan na wala akong kinalaman dyan. Unang-una, Your Honor, ang PIDEA, katulad ng paglalabas po dyan, ito po downloaded po, pinadownload ko po doon sa kamag-anak ko. Ito pong appointment ni Director Emiterio Bitong na disapprove ng Civil Service Commission.
Well, I am going to go to that.
Opo, Your Honor. Ito po, yung ano po lang, yung inano ko lang po, Your Honor, yung paglilik ng dokumento. Pangalawa, meron po akong...
Pero, sandali.
Opo, Your Honor.
Is that document classified?
No, Your Honor, wala naman siyang security classification, Your Honor.
Wala security classification.
Opo. Ito po, letter niya doon sa Special Envoy ng Transnational Crime Overseer. Pirmado po ng isang Director General ng PIDEA na may pangalang Mauro Virgilio Lasso. Ito po yun. Yung sinasabi po na paglilik ng mga dokumento mula doon sa PIDEA, mukhang hindi na po ordinaryo. Sapagkat doon pa lang, doon sa pagkakaroon ng awayan, doon sa PIDEA, allegedly involved si Director Lasso at saka yung isang Attorney Delgado. Nagmula po yung pag-away na yan, mag-umpisa po yun, may mga naglabasan ng mga dokumento. Ito po yun.
So, we are alluding na posibleng nag-riskback si Atty. Delgado against General Lasso?
Your Honor.
Kaya naglabasan yung mga papeles na yan?
Mukhang